I will try to make my own bear butter for two reasons. For number one, to reduce costs. And number two, that my bear butter only contains natural ingredients. So, how to do this? Well, I have shea butter. I have two types of carrier oils, safflower oil and argan oil. I want my bear butter to smell like the woods. So I have three different essential oils. The base note will be cedarwood, the middle note will be pine, and as a top note I will add some citrus to it, bergamote. I will start to melt the shea butter in a double boiler. So I will just heat it up so it melts, and then I will add the carrier oils, and after that I will add drops of the essential oils. The amount of the bear butter I will try to make today will be approximately 250 milliliters. That will fit in this glass jar. It came with the pizza kit. Smells good. So now when everything is mixed up and blended, I will pour it up in the glass container and let it cool. So, almost exactly 250 milliliters. So here is the result, 250 milliliters of beard butter or beard shaper. I let the beard butter cool outside for a couple of hours and now the texture is hard. The cost for this batch is around $15. If I should buy the same amount of beard butter or beard shaper online, it will cost me like $120. So I saved myself $100 in one batch. I believe that this batch will last at least 6 months for me. So now, let's try this on. So the texture of this is quite soft. It's like mashed potato, something like that. Smells like wood and citrus. Looking great, I think. It smells good. So, there you go. Save yourself some money. Make your own bear butter. It's great. Thank you for watching.